Yeah, oh, look at that. She's the chief licker of the group. She shows her affection. Anna Chona, so nice. This guy, look at his ears. We've never had rabbits with ears like this now. His ears are a little extra floppy, no?
Yeah.
Can?
Yeah.
It's like a Soviet chinchilla and grey giant, no?
Flemish giant.
Yeah, Flemish giant, and this lady is
Soviet
new.
chinchilla and New Zealand white.
Then Ayush, using your knowledge, what is this third rabbit?
I don't know. I think
It
it's
is
Dutch.
Yeah, Dutch. Even I feel.
She might be a
So
Dutch.
yeah, Dutch rabbits are these. These kind of rabbits are called Dutch rabbits. Poor thing, her heart is beating so fast. But they are so sweet and so innocent. Yeah, we humans don't deserve these animals because they're so kind-hearted, simple-hearted. No?
And also simple brain.
They just love being stroked. Oh, I can watch this all day. Yeah, seriously. And he also looks so content. This guy. I'm so glad I cleaned their cage in the morning. So
She's playing with him.
Yeah, I have a class now to attend, but this is so cute. Seriously cute.